Hi, my sweeties. It's Granny again. I'm going to read 3 books, and they're going to be somewhat short, and that's why I'm reading 3, okay? Okay, first one's Jamberry, one of my favorites. You know Jamberry. Jamberry. One berry, two berry, pick me a blueberry. Hatberry, shoeberry, in my canoe berry. Oh, I think I mixed. No, that's it. Thought I missed a page. Under the bridge and over the dam, looking for berries, berries for jam. 3-berry, 4-berry, hayberry, strawberry. Strawberries? Finger in pawberry, my berry, your berry. Strawberry ponies, strawberry lambs, dancing in meadows of strawberry jam. Quickberry, quackberry, pick me a blackberry. Trainberry, trackberry, clickety-clackberry. Look at the gooses driving the train. Rumble and ramble in blackberry bramble, billions of berries for blackberry jamble. Raspberry, jazzberry, razzmatazberry, berry band, merry band, jamming in berryland. Raspberry rabbits, brassberry band, elephants skating on raspberry jam. Moonberry, starberry, cloudberry sky, boomberry, zoomberry, rockets shoot by. Mountains and fountains rain down on me, buried in berries. What a jamboree. The end. That was good. Okay, here's another one. It's called Have You Ever Seen a Flower? Oh my gosh, look at that. Have you ever seen a flower? Oh my. You see the girl? She's right there. She's in a big city, it looks like. It's all gray. Have you ever seen a flower? I mean, really? Seen a flower? I mean, way down in the clover, with your face down in a flower. Have you ever seen a flower using nothing but your nose? Breathe deep. What do you see? Raindrops made of honey? The knees of bumblebees? A fancy lady? Dancing babies at the Royal Jelly Jubilee? Oh, Jubilee. Have you ever seen a flower so deep you had to shout, hello, and listen for an echo just to know how deep it goes? And did you wonder if you wandered down between its golden columns and into its corridors, who you might meet? Maybe a tiny queen. Have you ever felt a flower? Do flower petals' veins feel like the veins beneath your skin? Have you ever pricked your finger or fallen on your knee and seen the brilliant color of your life? Oh, that must be the brilliant color of our life, is red. Life is inside you. Life is all around you. Now put your hands on your belly and say, this is my stem. Now sip a drip of water and stand very still. Feel it slip and trickle all the way down to your roots. Do you feel yourself growing? Do you feel yourself stretching towards the sun, ready to burst? And bloom. Have you ever been a flower? I mean, really been a flower? And if you were, would you remember? That was, have you ever seen a flower? One more, called Two Little Birds. There they are. One, two. Two little birds. After much effort, two little birds emerged from their shells. It's very bright. There's lots of room. The little birds did what little birds do. They fed, they frolicked, they flew. One night they saw an amazing sight. Ah, let's go too. You see all the birds? They flew and flew and flew. They flew beyond all that they knew. Rumble, flash, boom. The little birds tumbled. The little birds tossed. Were they in a storm? Where are we? We are lost. The little birds did what little birds do. They skipped, they scouted, they flew. They flew and flew and flew. Now what do we do? Do you see the little birdies down there? They're walking on the sand. Flap, flap, flap. Hours passed. Flap, flap, flap. Their wings ached. Flap, flap, flap. It hurt to breathe. Flap, flap, flap. You can do it. I don't know. Phew. The flutter and chatter of many birds woke them up. Oh my gosh, look where they are. The little birds did what little birds do. They fed, they frolicked, they discovered what was new. This is good. This is too. After a while, the young birds thought of home. They remembered a cozy nest, delicious grasshoppers, and the songs their father taught them. After much effort, the strong young birds arrived home. Then these birds did what all birds do. They sang, they snuggled, they started something new. The end. Hope you liked it, my lovies. I love you all. Bye.